Before we dive in, a quick note. You might notice that certain product names in this video have been edited or dubbed. This was done after recording at the request of one of the separate account managers we work with who asked us to remove references to their trademarked name. While the terminology has been adjusted, the strategy and insights we're discussing remain the same. Throughout this video, we'll refer more generally to tax-aware long-short, separately managed accounts, or SMAs. You've worked hard to build wealth. Now it's time to protect it and use it in ways that actually improve your life. Because building wealth isn't just about returns. It's about keeping and enjoying more of what you earn year after year. And that's exactly what ultra tax efficient wealth management is designed to do. Hi, I'm Hilary Hendershott, certified financial planner and founder of Hendershott Wealth Management. In this video, I'll walk you through the personalized services we offer to help high net worth investors reduce tax drag and unlock real life freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. Ultra tax efficient wealth management is a comprehensive suite of services that our firm has developed, and it's designed to help suitable investors reduce capital gains taxes without locking up your wealth or compromising your returns. If you haven't watched the first two videos in the series, I highly recommend doing that. They'll show you why this strategy is so powerful and why it might be the key to unlocking millions more in lifetime wealth for you. In this final video, I'll break down a recap of what's actually included in our ultra tax efficient wealth management suite of services, our premier offering under the UTEWM umbrella, the tax-aware long-short strategy, and examples of who this service will benefit and how. Let's get into it. Before we dive into tax-aware long-short, let's quickly revisit what's included in the full suite of ultra tax-efficient wealth management services. This is a proactive, customized, multi-layered approach to reducing taxes and maximizing what you keep. It includes annual tax letters and tax return reviews to look for potentially costly errors and keep your tax team aligned. Smart asset location, so each investment is placed in the most tax-efficient account. Tax-aware investment selection, including ETFs, tax-managed mutual funds, and tax loss harvesting. Equity comp and IPO planning to reduce taxes and increase your value on stock-based compensation. Contribution strategies to help you max out every legal opportunity to defer taxable income and reduce taxes. And for suitable clients, we also offer specialized tools like the tax-aware long-short strategy we're about to explore. Because for the right investor, reducing tax drag year after year can unlock serious freedom, flexibility, and long-term wealth. The most powerful component of the ultra tax efficient wealth management suite is our use of separately managed accounts, or SMAs, and those are tailored investment vehicles built specifically for tax optimization. This service is available to suitable investors who have at least $1.25 million of taxable investments and are looking to minimize the impact of capital gains taxes while remaining fully invested. It's especially beneficial for investors who are holding highly appreciated or concentrated stock, selling a business, or liquidating real estate. Unlike traditional mutual funds or ETFs, direct indexing and tax-aware long-short strategies can give us more control over what you own, when we sell, and how gains and losses are managed. That control is what makes advanced tax-efficient strategies possible. The two SMA strategies we currently recommend are direct indexing, which mirrors the performance of an index but gives us the ability to sell individual positions within the portfolio when they dip, therefore harvesting tax losses even in years when the overall market is up. Those losses can be used to offset capital gains elsewhere, reducing your tax bill while keeping your investment strategy on track. And a tax-aware long-short strategy, which is the most powerful tool in our arsenal. We have a whole video series that explains this strategy in more detail, so make sure you're subscribed to our channel because you don't want to miss it. For suitable investors, can unwind large unrealized gains without triggering immediate taxes, diversify concentrated stock positions without a massive tax bill, and potentially save enough on taxes to increase your net worth by 30 to 50% over time. This strategy uses a sophisticated long-short overlay to generate tax alpha. Those are higher net returns that don't come from investment performance, they come from smart tax strategy. Flex accomplishes this by generating investment losses on your tax return without accompanying portfolio losses. Tax-aware long-short produces tax alpha in both rising and falling markets that neutralizes the gains that occur elsewhere in your portfolio. Because the long-short strategy impacts your cash flow needs and vice versa, portfolio construction, and your broader financial plan, we don't just set it and forget it. Our team provides active, ongoing consultation to make sure everything stays aligned with your life, your liquidity needs, and of course, your long-term goals. So, what does all that actually look like in a real person's life? Let me show you how we put these strategies to work in 3 of the most common and meaningful scenarios we see with clients. First up, unwinding a concentrated stock position. Let's say you've built significant wealth in a single stock, maybe through long-term employment, equity comp, or even early stage investing. You know the risks of being overexposed, but every time you consider selling, the tax bill stops you cold. Using our tax-aware long-short strategy, we can help you diversify over time while paying minimal, if any, capital gains tax. We do that by generating tax-canceling losses that only show up on your tax return, not your performance report. Again, it's tax alpha we're after, and tax-aware long-short is the keystone strategy that reduces taxes without impacting your investments. Taking advantage now makes it possible to diversify large appreciated positions and pay no tax. Over time, this allows you to reduce portfolio risk and gain greater flexibility without giving up growth or liquidity. Next, let's talk about planning strategically around equity compensation. This is another common scenario where Flex SMA can have a massive impact. Whether you're approaching an IPO or preparing for a sizable equity payout, timing and tax treatment can dramatically shape your financial outcome. Through personalized planning, we help you navigate these complex events with foresight, creating a plan to exercise, sell, and diversify over time to minimize and, yes, sometimes altogether avoid paying capital gains taxes and structure your plan for optimal tax efficiency. The result? More clarity, more control, and more confidence about what comes next. And finally, let's talk about navigating a major liquidity event like selling a business. If you're an entrepreneur, that can be one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make, and it often comes with a once-in-a-lifetime tax consequence. Without thoughtful planning, you could lose a large portion of your sale proceeds to capital gains tax. With a customized approach using layered services within ultra tax efficient wealth management, we help you prepare well in advance of the sale. That might include identifying ways to spread gains across multiple tax years, pairing gains with harvested losses, or using specialized investment tools that can neutralize your tax bill after the sale. The goal is simple: turn a major tax burden into a lasting source of wealth, so you keep more of the money you worked so hard to build, and it continues working for you. Those examples are just a few of the ways our team can help you improve your tax efficiency and minimize the tax drag on your investments. But they aren't the only use cases. In fact, if you want to learn more about how the tax-aware long-short strategy functions and serves you, I've recorded a 7-video series walking through the ins and outs and how they work inside the UTEWM suite. We offer and implement the strategies within UTEWM in-house with all Hendershott Wealth clients today. And for those with at least $1.25 million in taxable accounts, we can go even further with tax-aware long-short. If you're a suitable client, get in touch and we'll discuss how we can help you achieve tax alpha, where your significantly increased net returns aren't based on investment performance, but on having a smarter tax strategy. This suite of services is how we deliver on the outcomes I talked about in the first two videos, helping you keep more of what you earn so that you can use it in ways that matter to you, enjoy the benefits of your wealth, and leave a legacy that matters. So if you've ever felt like your CPA is looking backward while your financial plan needs to look forward, this is the solution you're really looking for. UTEWM is the bridge between your investments and your tax strategy. It's how we help you stop leaving money on the table so you can keep it in your pockets year after year. If you're ready to explore whether ultra tax efficient wealth management is a fit for your situation, go to hendershottwealth.com/contact and fill out the form to get started. We'll pair you with a lead advisor for a 45-minute Discover call designed to help you understand your current tax drag, what strategies are available to reduce it, and how we can work together to build lasting, flexible wealth that's aligned with your goals. Thanks for watching, and thank yourself for taking your financial future seriously. We can't wait to hear from you.